Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my daily Arabic vocabularies. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. We are going to learn from this lesson how to change the Arabic verb liyantakil to suit some certain pronouns in Arabic. Fi'il amr, commandment. Fi'il amr, commandment. We are going to learn how to instruct others in Arabic to do something using different forms of verbs. The question is, how do we change the verb liyantakil to suit the pronouns below? Liyantakil simply means he should move. He in Arabic is huwa, which is the opposite of hiya, she. So how do we now change the verb liyantakil to suit the following pronouns? Wahid, number one. Ana, I. So how do we change the verb liyantakil to suit ana? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach alifun. So the verb liyantakil will now become liantakil, which means I should move. Ithnan, number two. Nahnu, we. So how do we change the verb liyantakil to suit nahnu? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach nunun. So the verb liyantakil will now become linantakil, which means we should move. Thalatha, number three. Anta, you, representing a single male person. So how do we change the verb liyantakil to suit anta? All you need to do is to replace lamun and yaun with a borrowed alif. The question is, what kind of vowel sound are we going to read the borrowed alif with? Remember I told us in the previous lesson that the vowel sound of the third letter determines what kind of vowel sound you read the borrowed alif. The borrowed alif is your first letter. Nunun is the second letter and ta'un is the third letter. Since ta'un is taking fataha, so we give it the opposite of fataha, which is kasra. So we read the borrowed alif with kasra. So the verb liyantakil will now become intakil, which means you should move, talking to a single male person. Arba, number four. Anti, you. So how do we change the verb liyantakil to suit anti, representing a single female person? The same principle is applicable. However, we are going to attach yaun to the last letter. The verb liyantakil will now become intakili, which means you should move, talking to a single female person. Hamsa, number five. Here, she. So how do we change the verb liyantakil to suit here? All you need to do is to detach yaun and attach ta'un. So the verb liyantakil will now become litantakil, which means she should move. Remember, we use ta'un to talk about a single female person and yaun to talk about a single male person. Talking about them does not mean talking to them directly. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. Remember, plurality in Arabic starts from three upward, unlike English where it starts from two upward. Muzakkar, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb, intakil can only be used to command a single male person to move. So if they are true, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter of the verb intakil. Remember, once alifun is attached, the letter before it must take fataha, as we know that alifun is the mother of fataha in Arabic. So the verb intakil will now become intakila. Intakila, which means you should both move. If there are more than two, you attach waw to the last letter of the verb intakil. Remember, once wawun is attached, the letter before it must take dhamma, as we know that wawun is the mother of dhamma in Arabic. So the verb intakil will now become intakilu, which means you should all move, talking to a group of male persons. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wa, what is it doing there? The alifun is only telling you that the wawun is not part of the verb, rather an extra letter. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now we talk about mu'annas, feminine. Mu'annas, feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb, intakili can only be used to command a single female person to move. So if there are two, use the same form of the verb to command. So if there are more than two, you go and replace ya'un in intakili with nunun carrying fataha, then you give sukun to the letter before it. So the verb intakili will now become intakilna. Intakilna, which means you should all move, talking to a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Al-istimal, now the usage. Wahid, number one. لينتقل خالد إلى فلسطين. لينتقل خالد إلى فلسطين. لينتقل خالد. Khalid should move. إلى فلسطين, to Palestine. اثنان, number two. لتنتقل زينب إلى غانا. لتنتقل زينب إلى غانا. Zainab should move إلى غانا to Ghana. ثلاثة, number three. انتقل إلى اليمن يوم السبت يا أخي. انتقل إلى اليمن يوم السبت يا أخي. انتقل إلى اليمن, move to Yemen. يوم السبت, on Saturday, يا أخي, my brother. انتقل إلى اليمن, move to Yemen. يوم السبت, on Saturday, يا أخي, my brother. أربعة, number four. انتقلي إلى إسبانيا يوم الأحد يا زينب. انتقلي إلى إسبانيا يوم الأحد يا زينب. انتقلي إلى إسبانيا, move to Spain يوم الأحد, on Sunday, يا زينب, زينب. انتقلي إلى إسبانيا, move to Spain يوم الأحد, on Sunday, يا زينب, زينب. خمسة, number five. انتقل إلى الصين يوم الاثنين. انتقل إلى الصين يوم الاثنين. انتقل إلى الصين, you should both move to China يوم الاثنين, on Monday, talking to Khalid and Hashim. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. You can also use the same form of the verb to talk to Ruqayya and Khadija. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. ستة, number six. انتقلوا إلى المغرب يوم الثلاثاء يا إخوة. انتقلوا إلى المغرب يوم الثلاثاء يا إخوة. انتقلوا إلى المغرب, move to Morocco يوم الثلاثاء, on Tuesday, يا إخوة, brothers. انتقلوا إلى المغرب, you should all move to Morocco يوم الثلاثاء, on Tuesday, يا إخوة, brothers. سبعة, number seven. انتقلنا إلى الهند يوم الأربعاء يا أخوات. انتقلنا إلى الهند يوم الأربعاء يا أخوات. انتقلنا إلى الهند, you should all move to India يوم الأربعاء, on Wednesday, يا أخوات, sisters. انتقلنا إلى الهند, you should all move to India يوم الأربعاء, on Wednesday, يا أخوات, sisters, talking to a group of female persons. ثمانية, number eight. لأنتقل إلى جمهورية نيجر يوم الخميس. لأنتقل إلى جمهورية نيجر يوم الخميس. لأنتقل, I should move إلى جمهورية نيجر, to the Republic of Niger يوم الخميس, on Thursday. لأنتقل, I should move إلى جمهورية نيجر, to the Republic of Niger يوم الخميس, on Thursday. تسعة, number nine. لننتقل إلى فلسطين يوم الجمعة. لننتقل إلى فلسطين يوم الجمعة. لننتقل, we should move إلى فلسطين, to Palestine يوم الجمعة, on Friday. لننتقل, we should move إلى فلسطين, to Palestine يوم الجمعة, on Friday. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. ما شاء الله. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. Do not forget to go to the classroom, take your lesson, watching a single video clip and revise it using the PDF file below it. مع السلامة وإلى اللقاء آخر.